Good morning. So this morning Tyson's feeling so much better. Well enough that I was able to bring babies to him while he sat in bed and he changed their diapers, which was really nice. My back was spasming all night long, so I'm just going to try and take it easy today so that I don't re-injure my back really bad. He's feeling well enough that he isn't taking any pain medicine anymore, and he left to go get donuts. Sounds like him, right? Donuts. That's all he ever wants. So I'm just hanging out with the girls in our bedroom because my back hurts too bad to haul him downstairs. So they're going to hang out up here until it's their nap time, and then I'm going to put them in bed. Pie, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Scarlett's taking over. Uh-oh. Scarlett, that was rude. Pie knows how to get it off. Oh, did it make you sad? Did your comfy pillow went away? You can't lay on Pie. As you can see, we still have not folded our laundry over there. It's been one of those weeks.
Okay, girls, let's have some donut.
Daddy, they should not have donuts right before their nap.
Look at their faces. They love this stuff. So this is the girls' first maple bar. And look how close. They keep all crawling closer and closer. What does that tell you? They like donuts just like their daddy.
I, on the other hand, do not like donuts. I'm not a donut person.
She's out of biz.
I am not.
Okay, here you go. Here you go.
And I'm one of those that believes donuts is not a breakfast food. Is it a breakfast food to you?
Yes, it was this heavy pie. Nom. Is that good? Here you go. Yeah.
Andy. Andy Pie. Is that yummy? Hey Pie. Hey Pie. Go get Mama.
This is Scarlett.
Scarlett. That's yummy.
That's yummy, isn't it? That is yummy kind. Yeah.
She's like, if I get closer, maybe he'll feed me more.
Girls,
Girls, Daddy finished your donut off. That was rude.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Eddie Bear. Hi. I love that you know your name. Daddy just left, and so they realized they're not getting any more donuts, and then they all started crying at the same time.
Sissy. All right. Daddy will sacrifice eating another donut for you.
Daddy will sacrifice eating another donut. Careful, babe, with your back.
Get in here, relax.
Oh my gosh, they're all closing in on you.
Here we go. Let's sit. Sit. Hey, hey, look what Dad's got. Look what Dad's got. Okay, look what he has. Look what he...
Amy lost hers.
Okay, I'm coming.
Indy lost hers, Daddy. It fell out. That's better. That's better. Load him up with sugar.
Well, Indy keeps spitting hers out.
Indy. She just likes to suck all the frosting off.
I guess. Let's give her some of the raspberry.
Yeah, the healthy part. Oh my goodness, Evie. Evie's watching her show through the mirror.
I'm doing Ezzy's hair. Everyone always asks how we do the girls' hair. Oh, she's sad. She's sad.
What are you putting in it?
So this is baby lotion. Here, do you want a diaper? There we go. So I just put a lot of lotion in it and make it really spiky. And then after it dries, I just run my fingers through it and kind of fluffs it all out. That's it. That's how I do the hair. Hi, girls. Do you like your new jammies? Here's Scarlett and her new jammies. And Indy, we were testing out a bow from Modern Piggy. If you haven't checked out Modern Piggy, you should. Those bows are so cute. Indy, what do you think about your new bow? We're going to get a cute picture in the morning with your bows, okay?
They're kind of grumpy right now, so I'm not going to try and get a picture of them tonight.
What you think, Ed? You look so pretty in your jammies, girls. Hi, Izzy Bear.
Indy's just chilling, kicking her feet, watching her Baby Einstein.
Okay, the girls don't know if they want to watch the show or get Bentley. They'll all try and get him, and then they'll take a timeout to look back up at the TV, just like Evie just did. Indy wants to see what's going on, guys. Let me see. Look at Bentley, he's so good. Esme's giving up the fight. She's found a toy. And Scarlett didn't even bother to start. Kiddos. What did you just say? Someone's throwing a little bit of a temper tantrum here. Are you okay? Okay, I'll go away.
By the looks of it, I think Daddy's back is feeling better.
These are good puppies. These are good puppies. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. No, it's not over here. It's not over here.
He wants you to keep playing with him.
Crazy dog. Crazy doggy. I'll go get you. I'll get you. Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay.
Did that feel so good? Yeah.
She's like,
So, update on my back. It's feeling so much better today. I visited the chiropractor yesterday morning, and he gave me an adjustment. It was really stiff. He didn't get as many pops and cracks as he'd like, but I'm going to go see him again tomorrow morning as well. I also had a massage today, which helped with the lower back pain, and my movement is a lot better tonight. So things are looking up. I didn't pick up the girls a lot today. Obviously, I want to heal myself really well before I start doing the heavy lifting again. But we'll see how we feel tomorrow after the chiropractor appointment. But appreciate all your prayers and messages. They've really helped. They've kept me upbeat, and it's looking like things are going to be a lot better heading here into the weekend. Thanks so much. We'll update you more soon.
Hey, psst. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah, you're gonna miss something. Go ahead, hit it.